Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are learning Surat Al-An'am, ayah number 102 and onwards. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ذلكم الله ربكم لا إله إلا هو. The two counts long. Mm, It's two counts long. Li for kasra give e sound. Ku for the circle lips. Mullah keep meme light. Lafz jilala will be heavy because there is the ma before it. ذلكم الله الله two counts long. Who for the circle ellipse the sound is short. Ra ra is heavy whenever ra has fatha or the ma it is heavy. Here it is heavy for fatha open jaws attached ba and ba will get sifa of shidda. Shidda means cut off the sound right away. The makhraj cuts off the sound. Ra but there should not be any gap but it should have shidda. Give shidda and go on. Rabbu, Rabbu for Dhamma circle ellipse. The sound is short with Dhamma. Kum for Dhamma circle ellipse attached with meme. You will get sifa of tawassut, and as you will touch meme, your lips should be in a straight position. La. This is mad munfasil jaiz, and when you are making it long you should not keep your sound in your nose at all. It should be from your jawf. Jawf is from your mouth, vacuum of your mouth, not your nose. La e for kasra give e sound. The sound is sharp and short. La two counts long. No sound of nose here. La ha, ha, short. Last part of your throat. Il, for kasra give e sound attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of the wasut. La, two counts long. Who for dhamma circle ellipse. And when you will give sukoon on waw because of this waqf, it will change into long vowel. It will be two counts long now. Kha, kha is heavy for Dhamma circle ellipse and make it two counts long. As you are making kha heavy, this alif, because standing fatha is proper alif. So there is no difference between alif and the standing fatha. So this standing fatha or this alif will be heavy too because it is attached with the heavy letter. When this alif is attached with light letter, it will be light too. So here it is heavy because it is attached with the heavy letter. Kha. So you are making this alif heavy too. Khali. For kasra give e sound, the sound short. Ku for the circle ellipse and make it heavy. And the sound is short. Kul for the circle ellipse attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Li for kasra give e sound. The sound is short. Shay. This is lean, so make it soft. When you're attaching sheen with ya, the sound should be soft. Shay. Yeah. This is kasra. Give e sound and then give ikhfa. This ikhfa is light and you are hiding sound of noon. You're going towards the makhraj of fa. So your sound, your mouth should be ready to say this letter, this fa letter. So yeah, fa for fatha open jaws attached with the ain. Ain will get above the wasut. Woo for the circle lips. The sound is short. Do. Because of this work, we are giving temporary sukoon on ha. This temporary sukoon has turned this two counts long over. This was two counts long. Now it is four counts long because of this sukoon, arzi sukoon. And this is called mad arid lisakun. Fa'budu. When you are making it long, don't keep the sound in your nose at all. Wa for fatha open jaws, this makhraj of waw is circling your lips. Wa hu for the ma circle lips, the sound is short. Wa Again, wow, the makhraj of wow. Circling your lips, fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Ayn from your throat, fatha open jaws. La, 2 counts long. Kul for the circular lips. As you will touch lam, your lips should be in a straight position because they were circled because of this dhamma on kaf. But as you will touch lam, your lips should be in a straight position because there is no dhamma on lam. Kul. And then for kasra, give e sound. Li. For kasra, it's short and yes, it's short. Shay, lean, harf lean, so make it soft. Shay, ew. This is idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ew, wa, for patop on jaws. Keel. Because of this verb, you are giving temporary sukoon on lam. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is mad arid lis sukoon. ذلكم الله ربكم لا إله إلا هو خالق كل شيء فاعبدوه وهو على كل شيء وكيل. لا, 2 counts long. To the for the circular lips attached with dal. Dal will get sifa of qalqala. As you will touch dal, your lips should be in a straight position. To the and the qalqala should be very clearly heard. To the iri for kasra give e sound. The sound is short and light. Ku for the circular lips. The sound is short. Hul for the circular lips attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Ab, Hamza is very sharp. Of a top on jaws attached with ba. Ba will get sifa of qalqala. And qalqala should be very clearly heard. Ab, b, ab, saw. Saw this heavy and it has itbaq. So your tongue should be pasted on your palate. Saw, and make it 2 counts long. Uru for the circular lips. The sound is short. Wa for makhraj of power. Circling your lips, papa top and jaws. Wa, hu, wa, yude. For the circular lips attached with dal, dal will get sifa of qalqala and give a qalqala very clear sound. Yude, iri for kasra give e sound and the sound and raw is light. Kul for the circular lips attached with lam, lam will get sifa of tawassut. Ab, Hamza is very sharp for fatah open jaws and for ba give qalqala. Sar. Sad is heavy, Sad has itbaq, it has safir for fatha upon jaws, and then attach it raw. Raw will be heavy, still heavy. Because of this work, we are giving sukoon here. So, because of the sukoon, now you will go back and check which haraka the previous letter has. So it has fatha, so raw will be heavy here now because Sad has fatha here. أبصار وهو ففتحة open jaws attached lam lam will get support or tabassut well ففتحة open jaws the sound is short طا is heavy for kasra give e sound طا is the heaviest letter in Quran so make sure you are giving it back make sure you are making it heavy 2 counts long. Full for the circle ellipse attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of the wasut. As you will touch lam, your lips should be in a straight position. Kha is heavy. Bil. Because of this work, we are giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is mad arid lis sukoon and raw. Here raw will be light now because it has waqf and you will check the letter before it and this is ya. As you will see ya before the second letter, you will make it light. So raw is light here. لا تدركه الأبصار وهو يدرك الأبصار وهو اللطيف الخبير. قد Qaf is heavy, fatha upon jaws attached dal. Dal will get sifa qalqala and keep dal light. Because of this qaf, you should not make dal heavy. Qad, qa, qad, ja. Make it four counts long because this is mad. But muttasil wajib. Ja'a. For fatha, open jaws. And this hamza is very sharp. Kum. For the circle ellipse. And there is ikhfa shafawi. After mim sakin, there is ba. So there is ikhfa shafawi now. Kum ba. For fatha, open jaws. Sa. Sad is heavy. Make it four counts long because this is مد متصل واجب. صائي for kasra give e sound. Uru ra for dhamma circle ellipse and ra is heavy here because it has dhamma. Mir for kasra give e sound. This is idgham without khunna. So you are merging this meme into ra, but you are not keeping the sound in your nose at all. Miru. Ra is heavy here because there is fatha on it. Rab for fatha upon jaws attached. Ba will get sifa of shidda. Shidda means the makhraj will cut off the sound abruptly. Rabbi. Rabbi for kasra give e sound. The sound with kasra is light and the sound with the kasra is short. Kum for the circle is attached. Meme will get sifa of tawassut, and as you will touch meme, your lips should be in a straight position. Fa, give hums on fa for fatha open jaws. Man for fatha open jaws attached with nun will get sifa of tawassut and hukmuhu idhar. There is ruling is idhar. Man, ab, hamza is sharp for fatha open jaws attached with ba. Keep ba light and it will get qalqala. Ab, sa is heavy and the sound is short, but this fatha is short. Ra is heavy and the fatha is short. Fa, give hams on fa, for fatha upon jaws. Li, for kasra give e sound. Naf, for fatha upon jaws attached fa, fa will get sifa for rakhawa and hams. Si, for kasra give e sound attached with ha will get sifa for rakhawa because this is with sukoon now. Whenever ha is with sukoon, it gets rakhawa. ومخرج فوق circle in your lips فتحة open jaws. من ففتحة open jaws attached نون will get صفة of توسط and حكمه إظهار. عين from your throat ففتحة open jaws. مي for كسرة give e sound. إيا ففتحة open jaws the sound is short. ف give hums on فا ففتحة open jaws. عين from your throat ففتحة open jaws the sound is short. لي this is lean, so makes it soft. When you are attaching this fatha with ya, here you are making the sound very soft. Lay, ha, two counts long. Wa, for makhraj of power, circling your lips, fatha upon your jaws. Ma, mad munfasil jaz, make it four counts long. And the sound should not go into your nose while you are making it long. Wama, hamza is sharp, fatha upon jaws. This is Sifril Mustaqil. So what you are doing when you stop here, if your teacher asks you to stop your recitation here, so you will say ana. You will establish this alif when it has waqf. Waqfan, you will establish this alif. You will say this alif when you will give waqf, ana. But if you are giving it wasal, you are continuing recitation, what we are doing here. So you will drop this alif. This is the ruling of this zero. Can you see this zero? In Arabia, it is called sifr. So this sifr, when you are giving waqf here, you will establish this alif because of this zero. But when you will continue your recitation, you will drop this alif. So we are dropping it because we are continuing our recitation. Ana. So this noon will be short because we are dropping this alif. Ana. The way is short, na is short. Ana, a, ain from your throat, papa top on jaws, lay, lean. It is soft. Lean means softness. So when you are attaching this fatha with ya, you are giving softness. Lay, kum for the circle lips and give hums. This give ikhfa here. This is إخفاء شفوي. Gombi. Focus like E sound. Ha from your throat with hums for pata open jaws. The sound is short. Fi. Give hums in fa and make it 2 counts long. And then give rakhawa on the because the will get sukoon. Whenever the is with sukoon, it gets rakhawa and the will be heavy. حفيظ قد جاءكم بصائر من ربكم فمن أبصر فلنفسه ومن عمي فعليها وما أنا عليكم بحفيظ هو مخرج فوق circling your lips for fatha open jaws ka for fatha open jaws the sound is short the 2 counts long li for kasra give e sound ka for fatha open jaws the sound is short nu for the circling lips the sound is short saru yes sod is heavy for fatha open jaws but ra will be light because there is kasra under it. Whenever you find kasra on ra, you're making it light. Sar, nu, sar, sad is heavy, ra is light. Sar, sarri, for kasra give e sound. Nu, sarri, full, for the circle ellipse attached with lam, lam will get sif after wasut. 2 counts long. The sharpness of hamza should be heard nicely. Yeah. 2 counts long. T, focus lagi E sound. Hua, makhraj of pause. Circling your lips, patah open jaws. Li, focus lagi E sound. Yeah, keep ya soft, patah open jaws. The sound is short. Qu, cough is heavy. For the circle your lips, make it 2 counts long. Lu, for the circle your lips, make it 2 counts long. Da, for patah open your jaws, the sound is short. Ros, Ra is heavy for patah open jaws attached with sin. Sin will be light. Keep sin light while you're making ra heavy. Rasta. For top on your jaws, the sound is short. Wa. Makhraj of waw is circling your lips. For top on jaws. Li. Focus ra give e sound attached with it's not attached with anything. Wa. Li. Nu. For the circle lips, the sound is short. Bay. For fatha open jaws attached with ya. Here you are given nabar. Why you apply nabar? Because you are making sure that the reciter should pronounce both yas. If you are not giving nabar, you might be losing the pronunciation of one ya. So there are 2 yas, so make sure that you are pronouncing both. Bay. One is attached with ba and the other has kasra. Bayyi, bayyi. For kasra give e sound. No. And there should be rahawa on ra too, on ya. You know that ya is a rahwa letter. It has rahawa. So when you are attaching ba with ya, here you are giving rahawa and giving number. So you are continuing the sound and you are giving number. You are not cutting out the sound. Okay? Bayi, bayi, na, for top on jaws, and the sound is short. Who for the circle lip, make it 2 counts long. Li, for kasra give e sound. Qaw, for fatha open jaws, and this is lean. So when you're attaching fatha with waw, here you're giving softness. Qaw, and make qaf heavy. Qaw, me, idgham with gunna. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Yeah. For fatha open jaws attached with ain will get a power for a qawa and it should be from your throat. La For fatha upon jaws, moon. Because of this work, you are giving temporary sukun here. This temporary sukun has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is mad arid للسكون. وكذلك نصرف الآيات وكذلك نصرف الآيات وليقولوا درست ولنبينه لقوم يعلمون. اتبع. The easiest way to figure out that which letter, which haraka you will give for the hamzatul wasl, which is in the beginning, you have to count the letters. First is hamzatul wasl, 1, and ta is second, and third is ta. Because there is the she, so third letter is ta. So if the third letter has dhamma, so give dhamma to the hamzatul wasl. Otherwise, give kasra. So here you are giving kasra. Ittabi'. For hamza, give a sharp sound attached with ta. Ta will have the sharp sound too. The makhraj will be cut off abruptly. It, and then for fatha open just ta. Itta. Ittabi'. For kasra, give e sound attached with ayn. Ayn will get sifa of the wasut, and it should be from your throat. Ma. Mad munfasil jaiz, make it 4 counts long, and the long vowel should not go into your nose. Meme, yes, it is a nasal letter, so the sound of meme will go into your nose, but not the long sound. The long vowel should be from your jaw. The mud letters are from your jaw, and jaw is the vacuum of your mouth, not your nose. Ma, oo. For the ma circle ellipse, make it 2 counts long. He, for kasra, give e sound, and ha should be from your throat, and it has humps. He, here, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. E, for kasra, give e sound. Lay, this is lean. So when you are attaching fatha with ya, here you are making the sound very soft. Lay, ka, for fatha upon jaws. Near, for kasra, give e sound, and there is a gum without kunna, so you are not keeping the sound in your nose at all. Near rob, and rob will be heavy because there is fatha on it. Near, near, meme is light, but ra is heavy. Near rob, rob, when you are attaching ra with ba, here the shidda comes again because ba is among shidda letter. Rabbi, for kasra, give e sound, and then attach with kaf with humps. Beak, or beak. La, mad munfasil jais, make it 4 counts long and should not go into your nose. E, for kasra, give e sound. La, 2 counts long. Ha, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Il, hamza, lam will get sip off the wasut. La, 2 counts long. Who, for the ma circle ellipse, and attached with wow, it will be turned into 2 counts long now. Who, ومخرج pause circling lips fatha upon jaws. Hamza, for hamza is sharp sound. For fatha upon jaws attached with ain. Ain will get sifa of the wasut, and it should be from your throat. Read. Ra is light. For kasra, give e sound attached with dot. Dot will be heavy. It has rakhawa. Read. Ain from your throat. For fatha upon jaws. Nil. For kasra, give e sound attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of the wasut. Mush, for the circle ellipse attached with sheen. Sheen will get sipa prochawa. Eri, for ra is light. For kasra, give e sound. Keen. Because of this waqf, we are giving temporary sukun here. This temporary sukun has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is mad arid lis sukun. اتبع ما أوحي إليك من ربك لا إله إلا هو وأعرض عن المشركين. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.